Welcome to our channel. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic: how to retrieve a forgotten BitLocker password, even if you don't have the recovery key. Method 1. Reset your BitLocker password with BitLocker Recovery Key. Firstly, type Manage BitLocker in the Start menu, and then press Enter. Locate the drive, and click on Unlock Drive option. Click on More option, then enter Recovery Key. Here displays the BitLocker Recovery Key ID. With the Recovery Key ID to find your BitLocker Recovery Key. The Recovery Key is a 48-digit code that was generated when BitLocker was first set up. Here is my BitLocker Recovery Key file. Copy it. And then paste it to the text box. Click on Unlock. Click on Change Password. Then reset a forgotten password. Here enter your new BitLocker password twice, then click on Finish. Then you can use this new BitLocker password to unlock this drive. Remember, keeping your recovery key in a safe place is crucial for avoiding this situation in the future. Method 2. Retrieve your BitLocker password with iSunshare UBitkey. At Begin, download the iSunshare UBitkey from the official website. Then launch it from the desktop. You can click on Find Key to search your BitLocker recovery key in your computer. And back to the method 1. Or if you haven't stored your BitLocker recovery key in this laptop, here provides 3 options for you to retrieve your password: brute force, mask, and dictionary. Take mask section for example. Here select your drive to find the BitLocker password. Then choose which characters are included in your password and your password length. You can also type some characters in right place to save the running time. Click on Start button to begin. Wait the process to complete until a password window pops up. You can copy it to unlock your BitLocker drive. You can also click on View Records to view the record history. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave your questions in the comments below. See you next time.